This is Alex, and I'm starting this channel with an unboxing here, the XP400 Pro, to complement my IM508 key programming machine. I mainly got this to do some EEPROM work, to also add some BMW and European keys mostly. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this, and I also got the accessory kit for it. This is gonna be the case for it, kind of similar when you get the IM508 or 608, but just in a smaller version. Just go ahead and open it up. And here we go. So we have the XP400 tool itself, some manuals and adapters, accessories here. The APB125, APB108, APA107, APA109, APA103. Let's see what's on this side. This right here is the Autel key programmer adapter kit. I got this mainly for BMW systems here. So we have the APB 113, 120, 127, 114. We got all of these here. This is to do some bench work. And again, as the channel progresses, I'm gonna maybe not use all of them, but I know I'm gonna use some of them, and it's just something good to have. So that was just a quick unboxing of the XP400 Pro by Autel. Mainly got this to complement my IM508 key programming machine. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll try my best to answer them in the comment section below. Like I said, I mainly got this to do European cars, but mainly for BMW added key situations. But I'm gonna be trying to learn soldering and any EEPROM work with the expansion kit as well. Make sure to like this video as it helps the channel grow. I'm gonna try to do some more video unboxing. I'm thinking about getting the KM100. If anybody got that, let me know how that machine is, as I'm trying to build my arsenal of machines. I currently have the Dolphin key cutting machine and the Key Tool Max to do my key generation and cloning of transponders. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.